crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about abbreviation MC, which stands for main color. It is used when you have more than one color in a pattern. And generally speaking, it's the most dominating color. So in the swatch here, I'd say the main color would be this light blue, and the accent or secondary color is the dark blue. And in this swatch, the light pink for me is the main color, and the dark bright pink is the secondary. However, it also, these are just swatches. It also depends on the rest of the project, as this could be a panel and the rest of the project is, let's say, in this darker pink or the darker blue. So it all depends on the design, and a pattern will specify which one is the main, which one's the secondary. But the main thing to remember is that it is only used when there's more than one color in a project, and it is the dominating color of the project. So that is abbreviation MC, main color.